Big breaking news coming in. So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also jumped in to defend her brother. She's jumped into the controversy. She says that Rahul Gandhi speaks about Adani and Ambani every day, and that he was the one who's exposing the Prime Minister Modi's quote-unquote Santgaat with India's industrialists.
कि बड़े खरबपतियों की इनके साथ गांठ है। सारे इन्होंने इनके माफ किए 16 लाख करोड़ रुपए। यहाँ उत्तर प्रदेश में जहाँ इनकी सरकार है, केंद्र में भी और प्रदेश में भी, यहाँ के किसान 1-1 लाख रुपए के लिए आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं। उनके लिए एक कर्ज माफ नहीं हुआ 1 रुपए का। इसका जवाब दें मोदी जी। इस देश की जितनी भी संपत्ति है सारी अपने खरबपति मित्रों को दे दी है। देश के बंदरगाह, देश के हवाई अड्डे, देश का कोयला, देश की जो बिजली बनाने वाले जो पावर के हैं।
All right, my colleague Shivani Sharma is joining us live on the broadcast. Shivani, the Prime Minister has turned the tables literally on the Congress on how, when it comes to the Adani-Ambani attack of Rahul Gandhi, saying that there is a possibility of a secret deal between the Congress and these businessmen. We heard the reaction of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but how are the other Congress leaders reacting to the same? How are they fighting this counter-strike by the Prime Minister?
See, Prime Minister's attack on Congress over the Adani and Ambani issue has now brought Congress with a counter-attack, and Pawan Khera, the senior leader of the party, has brought out a statement in which he has literally named and numbered the times Rahul Gandhi has taken names of Adani and Ambani, and Pawan Khera has issued this statement in which he says that since April 3rd, when Rahul Gandhi has been campaigning across the country, he has taken Ambani's name 30 times and Adani's name 103 times. So they had literally to count when for how many times Rahul Gandhi has taken the names of Adani and Ambani. And you also heard Priyanka Gandhi countering to the Prime Minister's attack today. And Prime Minister says that what is the matter that now this time Rahul Gandhi is not that aggressive and not naming Adani and Ambani in this election. So now it is the clarification that has come from the Congress party, specifically from Pawan Khera, where he has counted the number of times and given out that number to the people and to the BJP. They say that after 3 phases, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is getting aggressive because he's frustrated. That's the kind of attack that's coming in from the Congress party, and the clarification on the name of Adani and Ambani.